How to get image ID in Roblox. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get that on Roblox using most of the easiest way. Let I just dive right into the video and get started. So we can start by opening up a browser and going to roblox.com, or you can also open up your application. And once opened up, what we need to do is we need to go to the Create tab on this front right here at the very top menu. Once selected, we can navigate to the development items. So go ahead and look out for the option called development items. We can look out for creations and go ahead and click on development items. And inside here, we can look out for decals option. Now here, all we gotta do is click on our uploaded decal or find one in the library. Once we've done so, look at the URL in the browser address bar at the very top. And you just need to go over and copy the number found in the URL. For example, this one right here. So go ahead and copy it up, Control C. And that is how we get an image ID. That is the method we can follow up. Decal versus image ID. Sometimes the ID of the decal does not work directly or script texture. If it fails, you just need to go over and go ahead and to use a browser extension sometimes. Go ahead and follow this method, and that way you should be able to do it. Sometimes you can just go over and use a browser in desktop site mode to access the create page and copy the URL number. But this is how we do it. You can follow the same process for other images as well. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.